Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a worker at a shoe factory is required to box at least 8 pairs of shoes per minute, but is not allowed to box more than 12 pairs of shoes per minute. According to this information, what is the possible amount of time in minutes that it could take the worker to box 168 pairs of shoes? If we're somewhere between 8 pairs and 12 pairs per minute, and we're asked for a possible time that it will take to box a certain number of things, we can use any number in this range to be our rate. So let's just pick 8 since that's a valid thing. So we have 8 pairs per minute is our rate. If we have 168 pairs, we can multiply it by the fraction 1 minute divided by 8 pairs. This is a unit conversion where we're not changing the value, but we are changing the units. So this is going from 168 pairs to 168 times 1 is 168 divided by 8 minutes. This is the amount of time it will take if you're going at 8 pairs per minute to box 168 pairs. 168 divided by 8 is 21 minutes. Therefore, 21 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.